what comes to my head when I think of the word duty. Duty is responsibility. It's enjoyable. I enjoy it. Because you feel a sense of fulfillment when after 3 days are done and you've achieved what you wanted to achieve.
The first thing that comes to my mind is duty. You got the duty badges that they give to you at Jalsa Salana. You got the green ones, you got the blue ones. And I remember when we were kids, you're trying to get that access all areas badge.
Get everywhere.
My very first duty, I think, was impress, and I wanted access all areas. I was desperately trying to get that, and I was lucky enough to get every single one except stage.
And when you grow up, you realize that actually it's more about the responsibility, doing it with the right spirit. And obviously, we're working in MTA. It's not really a duty, it's an honor. It's actually a privilege to do that.
When I think of duty, I think of my first duty, which was as a giving water to people. I think you've done as well. Have you? No, you haven't. Oh.
Driving force behind doing that out of love, out of passion, out of interest, and that again is to seek the pleasure of Allah, and of course to get be closer to Khilafat.
In Jalsa days, it's like different kind of power coming up in your body, So it's like excitement and stuff. Like you want to do this, you want to do that. Whatever responsibility you get in a Jalsa, you just want to do it.
You've got people who are doctors, engineers, and they come in doing duty. They're cleaning the dishes.
They're cutting potatoes.
They're doing the most basic things, but they're doing it because they're doing it with that spirit. Exactly. So it's not duty. I think it's more of a service. It's an honor. It's a privilege.
You have sense of like excitement for your duty. You wait the whole year long to see what department are you in. Especially for Jamia boys, from Jamia, we have different duties every year. Last year I was in longer. This year I'm in MTA online, which is quite unique for me.
I think duties for me is it resonates with the word service, and we're all doing everything for the guests of the Promised Messiah.